Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing a pressure cooker 9-in-1 instant pot duo gourmet pressure cooker, which is a slow cooker, rice cooker, and it is a normal cooker where you can cook or bake also different kind of food products, multi-grain meat products, and few other different kind of food. Let's see what's inside the box, how the pressure cooker 5.7 liter capacity look inside, and what all is inside this beautiful box. And the market price is $200 for this product in Australia. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is the user manual and some cooking tips. And this is the rubber for the proper closing the lid. And this is the power cable. And this is the beautiful pressure cooker. So this was pretty much inside the box. This is 5.7 liter pressure cooker, and it has some useful kitchen appliances. So this is 5.7 liter stainless steel cooking pot. So this is the stand also for that. So on my channel I will be showing you some more videos on cooking different dishes with this pressure cooker. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the book for safety, maintenance and warranty purpose. So some important information about safeguards. So you need to go through that to use this product safely, and some troubleshooting questions. And another booklet is for this pressure cooker parts, how to use, so that you should be aware of. So it is giving cooker parts overview, and about bottom lid and whistle and everything about the pot. And see, this has soup spoon and different kind of attachments like steam racks, and how you have to open and close the lid. So which is, I suggest you should read it first before you start using this product, because this is an electrical item. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments if any, and press the bell icon so that you can see the notification of all similar videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.